What is up guys, Natasha here, and I'm super excited because we've been waiting for this day for a long time. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is finally here. The Note 10 comes in two versions. The first one is the vanilla version of a Note 10, which measures at 6.3 inches, and the second one is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Yes, they have a Note 10 Plus version this time, and this one measures at 6.8 inches. Both variants of the device features the Infinity O display with the cutout on the top and center of the device. The vanilla variant comes with a Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display, and the Note 10 Plus comes with a Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display. You can get more screen on this phone with its extremely narrow bezels and zero notches. There are a few design changes on the device now as opposed to the phone's predecessor. The power button and volume rockers have been moved to the left side instead of them being on the right side of the device, which can take a while to get used to. For security, the phone does come with Face Unlock as well as their iconic ultrasonic fingerprint reader. On the bottom, we can only find the USB-C port as the 3.5mm headphone jack has finally sunk down to the abyss. Sad face. In terms of camera, the vanilla Note 10 does come with a triple rear camera setup with 60 megapixels ultra-wide, 12 megapixels wide, and 12 megapixel telephoto sensors. Meanwhile, the Note 10 Plus comes with a quad camera setup with the same sensors as the vanilla Note 10, but with an additional depth vision camera. Other than that, what makes this year's Note 10 series special is the brand new 7nm EUV Exynos 9825 chipset, which was just announced earlier today. The CPU is 33% faster than the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, while the GPU is 42% faster. You know how live focus is usually for photos? Now it can be used for bokeh effect videos. Yes, you heard me right, videos. There's another 4 new modes for cool video cinematic effects as well. Besides that, there's also AR Doodle. I'm sure you've heard of the game Tilt Brush on VR. Well, imagine that on your phone. Super cool. Also, there's a zoom in feature which allows you to follow where the sound is when you zoom in with your camera.
Go and go.
OK， 这样现在呢，我们就在测试到这个Note 10的注意呢，然后呢越来越注意这个声音就越来越扎实。
Now, if you have friends who like to backstab you and talk crap behind your back, you can now zoom in your phone to them and listen into their conversations without them knowing. Take that! Writing notes on your phone is a lot easier now as well because you can immediately change your fonts as well as the font colors that you want. Then you can export it into any mode as well. Now let's talk about the S Pen. It comes with a bunch of cool new features thanks to its brand new 6-axis sensors control. For instance, you can easily switch between the selfie camera and rear camera by pressing on the S Pen and sliding it down. Sliding the pen to the left or right changes the camera mode. Turning the S Pen clockwise in a circle zooms in the camera, which is super efficient when it comes to taking photos. Just so you know, the two variants of the Note 10 are pretty similar but does come with some differences. The Note 10 does come with tech specs which include 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage and 3,500 milliamps of battery capacity. Whereas the Note 10 Plus comes with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage with 4,300 milliamps of battery. Speaking of battery, 30 minutes of charge can give you a whole day's battery. The Note 10 Plus does support fast charging, which is very fast in Samsung standard. This gives consumers more options to choose from, which is pretty neat, especially since I'm more partial to smaller phones, but I do still want to use the S Pen. I know, you guys are all super excited now. We Malaysians can expect the phone out on the market on the 23rd of August. It'll come out in 3 colors, which are Aurora Black, Aurora White, and a special color named Aurora Glow. However, we aren't too sure if all 3 colors will be making it here, so do take note. Alright guys, if you're interested in getting this phone for yourself, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is priced at 3,699 ringgit. If you're interested in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the 256GB version is priced at 4,199 ringgit, whereas the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 512GB is priced at 4,799 ringgit. And that's all you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series. Drop a like and tag a friend who needs an upgrade. Make sure to check out TechNave.com for the latest smartphone releases. I'm Natasha, and I'm on my way to get myself that phone now. Bye guys.